Hi everyone, today I'm going to try to recreate McDonald's sausage egg muffin for you guys. I currently reside in Singapore and McDonald's is currently closed until May 4th, but no worries, you can use this recipe to hold you over till then and beyond, because this dish is legit. You're going to cook around 2-3 minutes on each side. Other side. Going to press down to give it some crust. Smells delicious. Alright, we're going to set the cooked patty aside now. Gonna put it over a plate, let it rest. Alright, now time to make the egg. Okay, and now we're going to cook our egg. We're going to add a little of olive oil. Over medium heat. Spread the olive oil. Going to cook our egg. I'm going to use an egg ring to emulate and mimic McDonald's as much as possible. Crack the egg. Gonna let it cook a few minutes till it's completely done. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.